Hello, beautiful soul. Welcome to Infinite Manifestations. Unlock the secrets of the unseen and embark on a mystical journey as a medium reveals 10 life-changing tips to awaken your dormant psychic ability. In this video, our primary purpose is to offer you invaluable guidance on awakening your innate psychic abilities. Through the lens of a seasoned medium, we present a collection of 10 transformative tips that will empower you to unlock and nurture your dormant psychic potential. Drawing from the unique perspective of a medium, these insights will illuminate your path and serve as a catalyst for your personal psychic awakening. Get ready to embark on a remarkable journey of self-discovery as we unveil the secrets to awakening your psychic ability and tapping into the extraordinary realms of intuition and perception. Tip number 1. Mindfulness plays a crucial role in psychic development as it cultivates present moment awareness and deepens our connection to the subtle energies around us. By practicing mindfulness, we train our minds to be fully engaged in the present, which heightens our sensitivity to intuitive impressions and enhances our psychic receptivity. To incorporate mindfulness into your daily life and support your psychic development, consider the following suggestions. Mindful breathing. Take moments throughout the day to focus on your breath. Pay attention to the sensation of each inhalation and exhalation, grounding yourself in the present moment. This practice helps calm the mind, increase awareness, and attune you to the subtleties of energy. Daily reflection. Set aside dedicated time for reflection and self-awareness. This can be done through journaling, meditation, or simply sitting quietly with your thoughts. Use this time to observe your emotions, thoughts, and sensations, fostering a deeper understanding of yourself and the energetic shifts occurring within. Sensory awareness. Engage your senses fully in everyday activities. Whether you're eating a meal, walking in nature, or engaging in a creative pursuit, pay attention to the sensory experiences involved. Notice the tastes, textures, sights, sounds, and scents, as this heightened sensory awareness expands your perception and deepens your connection to the present moment. Mindful movement. Engage in activities such as yoga, tai chi, or mindful walking, where the focus is on the sensations and movements of the body. By consciously connecting with your physical self, you establish a harmonious mind-body connection, which supports the flow of intuitive energy. Digital detox. Take regular breaks from technology and the constant barrage of information. Disconnecting from screens and immersing yourself in the present moment allows your mind to rest, rejuvenate, and attune to the subtle energies within and around you. Gratitude practice. Cultivate a daily gratitude practice where you intentionally focus on the blessings and positive aspects of your life. Expressing gratitude shifts your energy into a state of appreciation and openness, making you more receptive to intuitive insights and guidance. Incorporating mindfulness into your daily life creates a foundation of presence and heightened awareness, fostering the ideal conditions for developing and expanding your psychic abilities. By embracing these suggestions and weaving mindfulness into the fabric of your routine, you open yourself to a world of profound intuition, spiritual growth, and transformative experiences. Tip number 2. Intuition is a vital element of psychic ability, serving as a profound source of insight and guidance. It is an innate knowledge that transcends logic and reasoning, providing us with valuable information beyond what our five senses perceive. Developing and honing our intuition is crucial for enhancing our psychic abilities. To strengthen your intuition and cultivate trust in your inner guidance, here are 3 techniques you can practice. Meditation and mindfulness. Engaging in regular meditation and mindfulness practices allows you to quiet the mind, tune into your inner wisdom, and become more attuned to the subtle whispers of intuition. Create a sacred space, focus on your breath, and allow thoughts to pass by without judgment. Through stillness and mindfulness, you open yourself up to receive intuitive insights and build trust in your inner guidance. Journaling and reflection. Keeping a journal dedicated to your intuitive experiences and reflections is a powerful way to strengthen your intuition. Write down any intuitive hits, dreams, or synchronicities you encounter. Reflecting upon these entries can help you discern patterns, connect the dots, and deepen your trust in the accuracy of your intuitive guidance. Trusting your body's wisdom. Our bodies hold incredible wisdom, acting as a vessel for intuition. Pay attention to physical sensations and gut feelings, as they often convey valuable messages. Practice listening to your body's responses in different situations, such as making decisions or meeting new people. By honoring and trusting your body's signals, you strengthen your intuitive connection and develop a deeper sense of trust in your inner guidance. For further insights and detailed techniques on strengthening your intuition and building trust in your inner guidance, explore my YouTube playlist titled Trust Your Inner Guidance. In this playlist, I delve into various exercises, stories, and practical advice to empower you on your journey towards embracing and trusting your intuitive gifts. Remember, intuition is a powerful tool that can lead you to profound insights and transformative experiences. By practicing these techniques and embracing your inner guidance, you will unlock the full potential of your psychic ability and embark on a remarkable journey of self-discovery and spiritual growth. Trust yourself, trust your intuition, and allow the magic of your inner knowing to guide you towards a life filled with wisdom and purpose. Tip number 3. Focus on meditation and visualization techniques. 3 valuable benefits of meditation and visualization in enhancing psychic abilities are heightened intuition, expanded awareness, and improved energetic alignment. Here are descriptions of specific meditation and visualization exercises that can facilitate these benefits. Intuition boosting meditation. Close your eyes and take deep, slow breaths to center yourself. Visualize a bright light at the center of your being, representing your intuition. With each inhale, imagine this light growing brighter and more radiant. As you exhale, release any doubts or distractions. Focus your attention on your third eye, the space between your eyebrows. Allow your intuition to guide you, and be open to any insights or messages that may arise. Practice this meditation regularly to strengthen your intuitive connection and receive clearer guidance. Expanded awareness visualization. Find a quiet and comfortable space where you can relax. Close your eyes and envision yourself surrounded by a vast and expansive space. See yourself expanding beyond the boundaries of your physical body, merging with the infinite universe. As you embrace this expanded awareness, allow your senses to heighten. Notice any subtle energies, colors, or sensations that come into your awareness. Explore this expanded state of consciousness and trust in your ability to perceive beyond the physical realm. Energetic alignment meditation. Sit or lie down in a relaxed position. Begin by bringing your attention to your breath, allowing it to deepen and slow. Imagine a beam of light flowing from above, entering the crown of your head and gradually filling your entire body. Visualize this light purifying and balancing your energy centers, or chakras, from the base of your spine to the top of your head. As you focus on each chakra, envision it spinning and radiating with vibrant energy. Feel a sense of alignment and harmony as the energy flows freely within you. This meditation helps to cleanse and align your energy field, promoting a receptive state for psychic experiences. Remember, consistency is key when practicing these exercises. Set aside dedicated time each day to engage in meditation and visualization, allowing yourself to fully immerse in the experience. As you continue to cultivate these practices, you will notice an enhanced connection to your psychic ability, expanded awareness, and a deeper alignment with the subtle energies of the universe. Tip number 4. The chakra system is an intricate energetic framework within the body that plays a vital role in our overall well-being, including our psychic abilities. Consisting of 7 main chakras, each located along the spine, this system acts as energy centers that regulate the flow of vital life force energy. If you're interested in an overview of the chakra system and its connection to psychic abilities, let me know in the comments below. Tip number 5. Divination tools, such as tarot cards and pendulums, have long been used as powerful aids in accessing psychic insights and tapping into the unseen realms. While some individuals find it easier to connect with their psychic abilities naturally, these tools can provide a tangible and structured approach for others to enhance their intuitive gifts. I usually do not use any of these tools. However, let's explore 3 essential tips for selecting and using divination tools to unlock profound psychic insights. Understand your intuitive affinity. Before selecting a divination tool, take the time to explore different options and see which one resonates with you on an intuitive level. Trust your gut feelings and listen to your inner guidance. Whether it's tarot cards, pendulums, or other divination tools, choose the one that sparks curiosity and feels aligned with your energy. Research and learn. Once you have chosen a divination tool, invest time in study and understanding its symbolism, meanings, and techniques. Familiarize yourself with the specific tool's history and methodologies. Books, online resources, and even workshops can provide valuable insights and guidance. Knowledge empowers you to use the tool effectively and interpret the messages it reveals. Develop a personal connection. Building a personal connection with your divination tool is essential for accessing accurate psychic insights. Treat your chosen tool with respect and care. Dedicate time to practicing and establishing a connection with it. Regularly use your divination tool for readings or personal introspection. As you cultivate this relationship, you'll develop a deeper understanding of its nuances and tap into its full potential for intuitive guidance. Remember, divination tools are not magical solutions on their own. They are conduits that amplify and focus your own psychic abilities. They provide a framework to channel your intuition and access deeper insights. With dedication, practice, and an open mind, you can develop a profound connection with divination tools and unlock powerful psychic revelations. While divination tools may not be everyone's preferred method, they offer an accessible and tangible entry point for many individuals on their psychic journey. However, it's important to note that psychic abilities extend beyond the use of these tools. Trust your intuition and explore different avenues that resonate with your unique gifts and preferences. Whether you choose to utilize divination tools or rely solely on your innate psychic abilities, the key lies in embracing your intuition, trusting yourself, and nurturing your connection to the unseen. Tip number 6. Protecting and cleansing one's energy field is of utmost importance in the realm of psychic development. As you delve into the subtle energies and psychic realms, it is crucial to maintain a clear and balanced energy field. Just as we shield ourselves from physical harm, safeguarding our energetic well-being shields us from negative influences and promotes a harmonious connection with the spiritual realms. One effective technique for psychic protection and energy cleansing is the use of crystals. Crystals possess unique energetic properties that can aid in shielding and purifying one's energy field. For instance, black tourmaline is known for its ability to repel negative energy, while amethyst can provide a calming and protective influence. By carrying or wearing these crystals, you can create a shield of positive energy around you, deflecting negativity and promoting a state of energetic well-being. For a more comprehensive understanding of how to break free from negative energy and explore various techniques for psychic protection and energy cleansing, be sure to check out my YouTube playlist titled How to Break Free from Negative Energy. In this playlist, you will find detailed explanations, demonstrations, and practical exercises that will assist you in maintaining a clear and vibrant energy field. Dive deep into the realm of energy protection and cleansing, and embrace the transformative power of freeing yourself from negative influences. Remember, by prioritizing the protection and cleansing of your energy field, you create a foundation of strength and clarity that supports your psychic development and spiritual growth. So, explore the power of crystals, embrace the techniques shared in the playlist, and let your energy field radiate with positivity and resilience. Tip number 7. Clairvoyance, also known as psychic vision, is a remarkable psychic ability that allows individuals to perceive information beyond the physical senses. It grants the gift of seeing images, symbols, or visions that provide valuable insights and guidance. By developing clairvoyance, one can tap into the hidden realms and gain a deeper understanding of people, situations, and events. Similarly, clairaudience, or psychic hearing, enables individuals to receive messages and information through auditory perception beyond ordinary hearing. It involves attuning to subtle sounds, voices, or inner guidance, unveiling profound wisdom and guidance that can shape one's journey. Through clairaudience, one can connect with higher realms and access divine messages. Clairsentience, or psychic sensing, is another vital psychic ability that involves perceiving energy and emotions. It allows individuals to sense vibrations, feelings, and atmospheres from people, places, or objects. Clairsentience provides an intuitive understanding of the emotional states of others, enabling profound empathy and connection. It is a powerful tool for navigating relationships and making insightful decisions. In my dedicated YouTube playlist, The 4 Clairs, I provide in-depth explanations and insights into each clair, clairvoyance, clairaudience, and clairsentience. By exploring these videos, you will gain a comprehensive understanding of each psychic faculty, uncover practical techniques for enhancing your ability, and learn how to integrate them into your daily life. Get ready to embark on a fascinating journey of discovery as you unlock the power of clairvoyance, clairaudience, and clairsentience. Tip number 8. Keeping a psychic journal is a crucial practice for anyone seeking to develop their psychic abilities. It serves as a valuable tool for tracking progress, documenting experiences, and gaining deeper insights into your psychic journey. Describe your psychic impressions. Write about any intuitive hits, visions, or impressions you receive during your psychic practice or daily life. Explore the details, emotions, and sensations associated with these experiences. Document dreams and symbols. Record your dreams and any recurring symbols or themes that stand out to you. Analyze their potential meanings and how they relate to your psychic development. Reflect on synchronicities. Note any synchronicities or meaningful coincidences you encounter. Write about how these events may be connected to your psychic journey and the messages they may hold. Track psychic development exercises. Document the exercises and techniques you practice to develop your psychic abilities. Record your observations, progress, and any breakthroughs you experience. Explore intuitive insights. Write about any intuitive insights you receive about yourself, others, or situations. Reflect on how these insights align with reality and the impact they have on your life. Analyze psychic challenges. Record any challenges or setbacks you encounter along your psychic journey. Reflect on the lessons learned and the growth opportunities they present. Set intentions and affirmations. Write down your intentions and affirmations related to your psychic development. Explore how these intentions shape your mindset and influence your experiences. Remember, your psychic journal is a personal space for exploration, self-expression, and growth. Make it a habit to regularly revisit your entries, reflect on your progress, and uncover the profound wisdom that arises from within. Your psychic journal is a testament to your unique journey, providing invaluable insights and guidance as you awaken and embrace your psychic abilities. Tip number 9. Connect with nature. Spend time in nature to amplify your psychic connection. Nature has a way of grounding and harmonizing our energies, making it easier to access our intuitive and psychic faculties. Engage in activities such as walking in the woods, sitting by a body of water, or simply spending time in a garden. Pay attention to the sights, sounds, and sensations around you, allowing yourself to attune to the subtle energies of nature. This connection with the natural world can heighten your intuition and open channels for receiving psychic information. Tip number 10. Seek support and mentorship. Surround yourself with a supportive community and seek guidance from experienced mentors or psychic practitioners. Connecting with like-minded individuals who are on a similar path can provide encouragement, validation, and the opportunity to learn from each other's experiences. Look for local psychic development groups, online forums, or workshops where you can meet others who share your interests. Their wisdom and expertise can help you navigate challenges, refine your abilities, and expand your understanding of psychic phenomena. By incorporating these 10 tips into your practice, you will strengthen your psychic ability and deepen your connection to the unseen realms. Remember, your journey is unique, and by staying committed to your growth, you will continue to unfold the limitless possibilities of your psychic abilities. If you gained any value from this video, please like this video and don't forget to subscribe. Be open to receiving, and I hope to see you in my future